I'm talking about 5 ways to reward yourself as you progress in reaching your goal. I'm Coach Maggie, certified health and lifestyle coach, and today we're talking about goals for your health. So I want to talk about these 5 rewards. We set goals. Maybe it's to lose weight, to have more energy, to be more consistent on drinking water. Maybe it's going to bed, developing daily routines. Whatever it is, you want to make sure and along the way reward yourself so that you keep going. Now, let me just say quickly, we're going to talk about the 5, but let me just say quickly, the rewards should motivate you. So pick things that you honestly enjoy, okay? And then the second thing is make sure that the reward fits the goal. Don't make the reward so tiny that it's like, who cares? Or so big that you have, it's just going to get harder and harder. And the other thing is you don't want the reward so big at the very beginning that, again, you either give up or it's going to be hard to top that. And then the last thing is make sure that the reward fits your budget. It's what you can afford. So I may give you some ideas and you think, well, I'd love to do that, but I can't afford that. Then find something that's going to fit your budget. All right, so let's get into those 5 ways that you're going to reward yourself as you progress on reaching your goals. So number 1 is consider something like a simple manicure or pedicure. Most of us don't necessarily do that on a regular basis. So that can be something that really would inspire you. Maybe you've lost 3-4 pounds. Maybe you only want to lose 15, but you've lost 3 to 5 and you're feeling really good. Rather than go out and eat and end up putting some of those pounds back on, and instead consider going out and getting your nails done or getting your feet done. So those are things. Maybe for you, it's getting your hair done, highlighted, colored, whatever, but just something that you're going to enjoy. All right, number 2, consider getting a massage or going to a day spa. A few months back, my daughter bought passes to go to a spa in Chicago. And it was absolutely incredible. Something that I'm sure I would not have done on my own, but it was wonderful. And it was so relaxing. They did a hot scalp massage with hot oil. They did a body scrub and then finished with an amazing massage. And so it was fabulous. That could be maybe at the end, once you've lost the 20 to 50 pounds. Maybe once you have really gotten into a regular routine. Once you are where you want to be in a certain area, that might be one to work for you. All right, number 3 is consider something like buying an outfit. And it doesn't have to be a whole new wardrobe, but maybe you have lost a few pounds. Maybe you weren't trying to lose weight, but you're just trying to tone up. And so now all of a sudden you realize you're a size smaller. Maybe it's a piece of jewelry or a new pair of earrings, but just something fun that has absolutely nothing to do with food. For number 4 is consider going to a movie, middle of the day or evening. And maybe that's just packing up a few things, going to a park, meeting up with a friend, walking, just being out in nature, just doing something fun. Again, not food. Sometimes, and I'll just go to a coffee shop, and yes, I'll pay for tea, and I'll just sit with my backpack and pull out my laptop and just enjoy. I'll have my journal, a book, and just relax. And then the last one goes along that idea of just doing something fun that you like. Maybe that would be a time to brainstorm your next level, your next steps in really working through those goals. Is that you need to celebrate. Celebrate those wins, even those little wins. I highly, highly recommend that you keep a journal during this time. Jot down the things that you are wanting to achieve and then your progress as you're going along. That is so huge. A lot of times we just start out and then we're a week or two in and we think, boy, nothing's happening. But if we'd realized it, maybe there's plenty happening. Maybe you are sleeping better, you're drinking more water, you're consistently making meals and eating at home. You've lost 3-4 pounds. Jot those things down. But remember, avoid those food type rewards. But instead, try some of the things that I've suggested. Make a list of some of the things that you enjoy doing. The little things, the in-between things, and then those big rewards. Think about your budget, what you can afford, but make it fun. Get someone to join you on this journey. It's always a lot more fun, and you can each hold the other accountable. Depending on when you're watching this, I've got Restore Your Health Academy. It's a 12-week experience of coming together using godly principles to help us to work on strengthening our faith, correcting our mindset, which is often out there, and of course, being healthier, creating habits and routines to live a healthier life. So the link is there. If by chance the date has passed, please reach out to me so that you can be put on a wait list. But in any case, set those goals, go after them, and celebrate all the way through. This is Coach Maggie, praying blessings over you. Take care, and God bless.